if I can do this ritual. Oh yeah, okay, never mind. I can do the rituals. It was still a little sketch. It was so funny, dude, because I got hit and frozen, and I look up, and he just instantly is dead. When he's alive, we probably both should stick together, though.
Yeah. I only came over here to make this faster.
Oh, no. Yeah, I know.
I press rewind, though.
Ooh, I am having a rough time. What the fuck? These guys are not fucking stunning. Oh, they're lightning resistant. Okay, that's cracking now.
I'm unable. Shut up. I found the breach. Oh. What just fucking hit me?